What's up, guys? It's been a few days. We had a great Thanksgiving weekend. Come back and had some great shipments of new product in for the Kawasaki KRX 1000. I've unboxed the awaited back window. So here's a quick unboxing video. Installation, it's saying is going to take about 30 minutes. I don't think it's going to take quite that long. Basically, you've got 4 different sizes of clamps, 1.75 for the outside bars, 1.5 inch for the tops. We're going to simply mount those with these screws and the washers. It is telling us that we're going to need to remove this back panel right here, as well as both ducts on the sides. I'm going to find out if that really has to happen and what the purpose of that is right now. We do have these babies in stock and more coming, but we're going to do a quick install here, and then we'll do a separate video talking about how the install went. Kawasaki part number 99994-1294. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. We're already ahead of what the installation instructions call for. All of these rubber washer grommets are already pre-installed right as we pulled it out of the box. All of this was also installed on there as well. And along the top, there's some foam for a nice good seal along the top that you can see is already pre-installed. So all of that is installed right out of the box. More info to come, you guys.